Friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about how to increase the speed of your computers. So it's a series of about 18 videos, and today is the first video, and this is tip number 1. I'll be giving about 17 tips. For more details, you can visit at www.amanwats.com. So the first thing today I'm talking about is defragmentation of the device. So yes, we had been doing that in Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows SCM and all. So in Windows 10, the process is little different. I'm going to tell you how you have to perform the defragmentation of the device, and that is tip number 1 to ensure your performance, ensure the performance of your PC. Okay, so what happens during our working? We do many actions of writing, reading of the file. We write the file, delete the file, write the file, delete the file, or the file is bigger one. So we know the disk is divided into sectors, blocks, and then sectors. So one file can spread across multiple blocks or multiple sectors. So what you have to do during that time, it creates a problem, and once the file spread across multiple sectors, that causes a problem. So you can see, go to this PC. You can see two different drives in my PC. I can show you. It is C drive and D drive. So what happens when fragmentation happen? The drive performance reduces drastically. Accessing of the file reduces drastically. Writing operations reduces drastically, and overall it impacts the performance of your computer. So therefore, when we are going in the series of speeding up your PC, the first thing I'm talking about is defragmentation. So okay, so let's see now how we are performing this defragmentation, because C drive mainly contains all the system files, and the tip is you should not store your personal file in C drive. Therefore you can create additional drive, and you can create additional folders in that additional drive, and you should store all your files or folders into that drive. Let C drive remain there only for system performance, and let that memory be utilized only to perform the system actions. So that will definitely add to the best performance of the system. Okay, now let's do. You should write in search option, write defragment, or just write defrag, and it will show you defragment and option optimizing drive, defragmenting and optimizing drive. When you click on that, you will be able to see both of your drives which are in your system. If you have 3 drives, you will see 3. If you have 4 drives, you will see 4 drive. So the drive which you want to do defragmentation, just click on that. It will be highlighted with blue color, and after clicking of that, you can see okay, here is the one tip. If the drive is less than 15% defragment, there is no problem, so you can continue you working that. But if it is more than 15% defragmentation, yes, you have to defragment that. And defragmentation will do what? It will basically reset the position of all the sectors and blocks to ensure write and read operation becomes very fast. So just select that when it is blue and press analyze button. You need to press analyze button. So when you press analyze button, system will do analysis of the device and the drive. Fortunately, the size of my drive is very small, so it's not a big trouble. But if your size is little bigger in your, I mean, you have so many files, then be careful, because this particular process takes a lot of time. It is time consuming activity. Defragmentation is time consuming activity. So it says 1% defragment. It's not a problem. But if had it been more, yes, I could have defragmented it. But still, you can just click optimize if you want to defragment. And if you don't want to defragment, it's perfectly fine. But defragmentation more than 15% will definitely help you to achieve best performance of your system. So after you press optimize, system will automatically do defragmentation. It will reset all the sectors and block, and consolidates the file, and try to consolidate in one block. Additionally, you can do some setting. You can just click on change setting and you can select whether you want to automatically do this particular part. Could it be like weekly, monthly, daily? Absolutely, daily is never suggested. This is time consuming activity. Weekly is fine, or you can just do it monthly. I think monthly will be best. So you can set the schedule, but during that time, your system has to be on. So, friends, the first step is defragment your disk drive to enhance the performance of your PC. I hope you like this video. Subscribe this channel, like and share. Stay connected. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.